Anyway, should we get started?
Yeah, let's get started on this video, shall we?
So, hello, welcome to Popalong RC, the RC car channel dedicated to RC car racing, and you finally returned what I think is the nicest car in our collection. This is the wheel speed RF3 conversion of the the
TLR
22 DC 5 Elite.
Correct, but we did have issues with it in that we couldn't get spares for it. So
oh no, so it's a bit precious, isn't it? But have you ever seen anything like that?
It really is a stunning car.
Orca electrics in there as well. It's just wired up beautifully.
Yeah,
absolutely love this car. But I don't run it outdoors. I like to keep it clean. So this is my indoor carpet car. And that's why we haven't seen it over at Hearts and stuff recently, because it's very precious to me. Very precious.
It is very precious. But I've got to tell you something.
Go on then.
I recently bought us a little something.
You bought us a little something?
Bought us something,
oh,
yeah.
Right.
Do you want to see it?
Oh, I'm intrigued, boss, because...
Right. Well, you know, I like to treat us. I like to treat
bought
us.
us, because I don't think we've got any money, have we?
No, we've not got any money. I bought us one of them. What do you think? Is it in shot there? I bought us one of those.
YZ10R, Yokomo, R25.
Yeah. All bells, all whistles.
Trickbits written on the wheels.
That's right.
You bought that?
Yeah. Well, when I say I bought it, I didn't.
How much did you buy that for?
No. I bought it from home to here.
Right.
It's not at... Let me explain, right?
Right, explain.
I have been... I ain't told you this because it's a secret, but the secret's out, isn't it? Me and Alby, right, Mr. Trickbits, you see, we've been batting forwards some emails and some text messages and messages like that, and I wanted to do a little project. I call it the Popalong project, yeah? And he's managed to sort us out that car. So there it is. What do you reckon?
It's cool.
It is beautiful, mate. Absolutely.
So this is for us to drive, is it?
Well, no, not for us to drive. It's for me to drive. But you can have a look at it.
I can have a look at it.
Yeah, you can have a look at it. Yeah. There is a few thank yous though I've got to do along the way.
Do you know what? This shell looks wicked, doesn't it?
I know.
Popalong livery.
So listen, if you haven't seen one of these cars before, the Trickbits YZ10, this is the 25 version, you need to have a look at it. It is absolutely the most stunning car I've seen in a very, very long time. We've got it on loan until about September, so the idea is we're going to race it at the Popalong GP. Yeah. We're going to race it there. When I say I'm going to race it there. We're going to take it indoors. When I say I mean me. We're going to take it to many different races, and we're going to race it there. When I say I mean me. We're going to finish off at the Revival in September, and we're going to race it there. And when I say I mean me. I'm going to race it there, and then we're going to give it back to Alby on that very day. Yeah.
So I literally don't get to have a go before.
You can have a look at it. Anyway, come with a letter. Do you want to? Shall I read the letter to you?
Am I allowed to
read
it, or are you going to read it for me? Put your glasses on.
It says, "Dear Mark, not Carl. Finally arrived and should be ready to go in time for the Popalong GP, and it is because it's right there. Yeah. There is a couple of thank yous along the way for this Popalong project. The first person is Amy Booth Models.
I did one that's got ABM.
Yeah, Amy Booth Models. She supplied the 10.5 motor because that's the limit, you see.
10.5 for vintage, isn't it? Let me have a little look.
Have a little look in there. So she supplied that, so thank you very much to her. We have also got a thank you to Jamie Booth. He's a legend. Jamie Booth's an absolute legend.
I think you might know Amy Booth.
Yeah.
Maybe.
We've got to say a big thank you to him. Jamie Booth at SMD for a few Tarba receiver.
That's nice.
That's good, isn't it? That because I have got a few Tarba set up, and I bound that straight away. No problem. Jobs are good.
So that works with your professional racer radio.
It does, yeah. I just bound it straight away. Come with a little bind key, just shove it in, or bind plug, I should say, and then away she goes. That car is set up, ready to rock and roll. I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to do anything to it. He sent us a few other bits in case we need them. The wonderful paint job, and it is a wonderful paint job, is from Gav Clinch. So thank you very much for him, because that is it's one of the nicest paint jobs I've seen in a while. And it's in our Popalong livery, the red, the white, and the yellow. The car actually has a little bit of history behind it.
Go on then, tell me about this car.
So this particular car it's not brand new, it's done a fair few laps, right, by all accounts. Right. It was the first one that Alby produced in 2023. It's chassis number 5, even says it on it if you look closely enough. It's effectively known as the Richmond Rogers car, because Richmond raced this at the Euromasters on February 23rd, and it finished 4th in the Euromasters, so it's a good car. So I've got to do it justice.
So if you don't do well with it, you're not very much of a pro racer, are you?
I've got no excuses.
You've got no excuses.
Absolutely not. The car's been. He said the car's done lots of hard laps. I mean, he's obviously took some time out to get it ready for us. When I say us, I mean me. It's been upgraded to the 25 spec, and it's running the 2025 prototype diffs. Right?
I can see here it's got like 25s, like etched into. Etched into the part.
I mean, it is just a stunning piece of kit, right? It really is a beautiful car. He's added a few roll bars and a few different bits and pieces that we need to tune it and such. But to be honest, I'm just going to take it out, give it a go, and see where we come. He's gone so far as to nibble the knobbles off the tyres for us.
I did notice that he'd nibbled the knobbles off the tyres. And then stuck his beautiful stickers on the side as well.
Yeah, anyway, he finishes off by saying, we want you to experience the YZ10R as we race them. We hope you enjoy your time with the car. P.S. Do not let Carl anywhere near the car. Thank you very much. Kind regards, Alby.
Unbelievable.
That last bit, he didn't actually say.
I was going to say, what have I done to upset him?
Nothing. He ain't done nothing. But he obviously wants, to, you know what I mean? He wants to. Yeah.
What, pro racer mark?
You've got to stop with the pro racer thing.
Oh, cover it. It's stupid pro racer mark, isn't it?
Enough. Anyway, so there's the car. Alby, if you're watching, thanks very much. We will try and do this as much, when I say me, I will try and do this as much justice as I possibly can and get it around the track.
So it's my job to capture it on camera then, is it?
Yeah. If you're lucky, I might let you have a little go. Anyway, so there you go. So that's the Popalong project. That's the idea we got, just to give it a big old rinse out, get it around the track, see how good it actually is.
Not bad, not bad. I like it. Do you know what?
What?
I've got a little delivery myself.
A little delivery?
Yeah.
It's not that one from Boots, is it?
It's not that one from Boots.
Good.
And it's not one
that
from
discreet, that discreet delivery
it's not that one from that website you showed me either, because that one's coming to your house.
Fair enough. Okay, no worries. What is it then?
Should we do a different video for it?
Oh, go on then. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell, and we'll see you again on another video.